Stop everything you are doing right now. You know that little voice in your head that whispers, am I missing the next big thing? Well, that whisper just turned into a siren. Because while you're busy checking your Google account, sending a WhatsApp message, or scrolling on Reddit, the entire infrastructure of the internet you use, Web 2 just got an expiration date. No, I'm not just talking about some future maybe. I'm talking about a full scale, successful, silent migration that's happening today as we speak. We are witnessing the death of Web 2 and the birth of the real Web 3. And if you don't understand what I'm about to show you, you're not going to miss out on a massive opportunity and you're going to be left behind on an old, broken internet. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Domenico, again. Everybody, welcome. You know, I don't bring you noise, I bring you the signal. And this signal is flashing red. Right now, for urgency, I'm talking about the World Computer or ICP, Internet Computer Protocol, which has successfully done the unthinkable. It's built the complete decentralized alternatives to your favorite Web 2 apps. Think about it. Decentralized Google, a censorship resistant Twitter, and encrypted on chain WhatsApp. This isn't theoretical, this is operational as we speak. Over the next 10 minutes or so, I'm going to break down every single one of these migrations and I'll show you the data, I'll give you the roadmap, and I'm going to tell you why ICP could be the foundational layer, the $1 trillion digital infrastructure of the next decade. Stick with me because what I share today could be the most important financial and technological insight you'll get all year. So smash that like button right now. And if you're ready for the truth about the new internet, let's send it. Okay, let me tell you a quick story. It's about a company, let's call them big tech company. You use their email, their search engine, their cloud drive, and their social media. They gave you all these free services, right? But there's a dirty little secret. You were never their customer. You were the product. Every time you logged into your Gmail, every time you sent a message on WhatsApp, every time you posted on Reddit, you were feeding a centralized server, a single point of control with your most valuable asset, your data. They tracked your clicks, they sold your habits, and they held the keys to your entire digital life. And if they decided to censor you, block you, or just lose your data, poof, it's all gone. That's the brittle, vulnerable, broken infrastructure that we're currently living in Web 2. Think of it like a digital bank vault. In Web 2, your life savings are in a vault owned by this big tech company. They can lock you out, charge you ridiculous fees, or even look through your deposit box to sneak how much you've got there whenever they want. Web 3, however, is powered by the World Computer Internet Computer Protocol, which is totally different. It's like 1,000 volts, all connected, all secured by a cryptographic agreement that no one, not me, not you, not even the people who built it, can unilaterally break. It's trustless, not just trustworthy. And this is what makes the migration so damn important. This is where you pay attention because this is the game changing information that your average investor, your average internet user doesn't even know it exists today. Because this isn't about crypto, it's about the whole entire internet stack as we know it. Look at this. Your Google account is dead. It's being replaced by internet identity. But what does this matter? Because with internet identity, you and me can use our physical key, a fingerprint, a secure enclave, not a password, to authenticate. Big tech can't track it. Big tech can't seize it. It is your key to the new internet. Next, we have social media killer apps. Your Reddit is being replaced by Discord. Your Twitter X is being replaced by Distrikt. These aren't just clones. These are platforms where the rules are written in a smart contracts on the blockchain fully decentralized. The users, me and you, decide what gets moderated, what gets funded, and where the platform goes. No single dictator controlling the global conversation. And the money shot, the finance and communication layer, PayPal is being challenged by Bitfinity wallet, WhatsApp by OpenChat, and Gmail by Dmail. But what's a common theme? Data sovereignty. They all have it. This isn't just end-to-end encryption. It's the entire application stack. This isn't just front end. It includes back end, the data. It is fully running on chain, 100%. This is the difference between sending, say, an encrypted letter through the post office. using Web 2 and building the entire post office on top of a fortified bunker, which in these terms is ICP, the world computer. It's a foundational shift as we know it. The key takeaway here is that ICP is hosting full stack applications at scale. This is what sets it apart. It's not just a decentralized finance protocol, it is a decentralized internet protocol. And that's a multi-trillion-dollar market cap opportunity staring us in the face as we speak. Okay, that's education. Now for the actionable insights that matter to you and my portfolio. But why does this matter right now? Because it's adoption. Step one, get your hands dirty. As I always say, you cannot invest in what you do not understand and use. So go create an internet identity. Go use Discord. Go use Distrikt. Go use OpenChat. Experience the speed and security of a truly decentralized app. The moment you use a decentralized social network that's as fast as Twitter, the penny drops. You realize the old system is obsolete. Step two, understand the foundation. For a decentralized economy to succeed, you need a high speed, low cost, infinitely scalable execution layer. You need a place where developers can build the next Google without needing huge centralized cloud servers like AWS, Azure. And that's the value proposition you need to be analyzing. And when mainstream developers start migrating the Web2 skills to this platform, the capital will flow. In step three, analyze the catalysts. Every time a new major Web2 killer app launches successfully on this platform, it's a massive catalyst because it proves the technology it brings in new users and it increases the value of the underlying resource required to run it. That's a game, and you need to be ahead of the curve. Okay, this is the most important and urgent part. Web3 is not waiting for me and you to catch up. The developers are building, Cafe and I is launching in several weeks in mid-October, and it's going to scale to 1 million users, billion users, and multi-billion users. And the users are going to be migrating exponentially to the right because everyone can be a builder. And if you delay, you will miss this foundational wave that's going to be happening. And listen, what we've discussed today is just the beginning. This entire migration is powered by a set of revolutionary tools, chain key cryptography, canister smart contracts that make this all possible. This is the most important thing. So what you can do is subscribe and hit that bell notification and share this video with your friends still stuck in Web 2. But the message for today is simple, clear, and absolutely critical. The old internet is dying. It's inevitably going to die when we have to run robotics, humanoids, when we get the mass adoption in AI. It's inevitable. The infrastructure has to change because it's centralized, it's vulnerable, it's harvesting your data in a global bifurcated world of war and global tension. It's just going to fracture to the point where it's just going to be unusable. The new internet that's truly decentralized and secure internet is here. And the government will need sovereignty because of other government threats, because of global bifurcation. Because the new decentralized internet, it's built, it's scalable, it's decentralized, and the applications are ready. Don't be the investor who looks back in 5 years and says, oh, I saw the science. I saw the Google killer. I saw the Reddit killer. I saw the YouTube killer and I did nothing. I saw caffeine AI. I saw what it was going to do for government enterprise. I could have built on caffeine AI. I could have invested into the ecosystem because the time for indecision is over because we are moving into sovereign real world assets, which is going to be powered by ICP and Hedera. Your future identity, your future communications, your future money as an investor, a developer, they are moving from the hands of Silicon Valley giants and into the hands of a decentralized global network. So are you going to be an owner of this new infrastructure or just a guest on the old one? So what you need to do is get smart, get moving, and I'll see you on the decentralized side. Peace out.